Hey guys, Josh Miller here with High Ground Solutions, sitting here with Mr. Albert. We just bought his house, so I'm going to ask him a few questions about the process and how it went so you guys can hear from him. Mr. Albert, why don't you tell us what was going on kind of in your mind before you gave us a call, in your mind, like emotionally too, and then also with the property, what was going on with that? What made you call us?
Well, I was struggling a little bit with my notes and stuff like that on the house, got behind.
Yeah.
And, I really needed just to sell the house and get that off, a burden off of me.
Mm-hmm.
So I gave y'all a call. Well, I actually got you on the internet, and we, set up a meeting, and everything, worked out great.
Yeah, and that was 2 weeks ago?
Right.
Yes, about 2 weeks ago, we came out there. We gave you what you were looking for, the amount you were looking for. We gave him a day to think it over. He wanted to talk to his brother and an attorney, I believe.
Right.
Just to make sure everything was legit. And was everything legit?
Right. Yep.
Was everything easy?
Yep. Very easy.
So it was easy.
It was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Yeah.
Good. And then we do everything we said we were going to do.
Correct.
Awesome. So would you recommend us to somebody else in your similar situation?
Yes, I would.
Awesome. All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Good to do business with you.
All right.